think I can hear a bumblebee. Whenever I hear a bumblebee, it always puts a smile on my face. It means I'm in a good place. There's probably some beautiful flowers around. So not only does it put a smile on my face because of that reason, but it also reminds me of how inspiring they are. They work so hard, they fly around, buzz around with the colour yellow, the happy colour yellow, and they look after each other, they look after themselves, and they help us, they look after us actually with all the pollination, and they look after the planet, don't they? Wow, they really are inspiring. You know, makes me want to buzz like a bee. Let's do it. Let's do the buzz bee breath, bumblebee breath, shall I say. And we're going to inhale and we're going to buzz like a bee as we're breathing out. And that's going to help us with our concentration because, as you know, bees are great at concentrating and staying focused. It's going to help us calm as well. Okay, so let's practice. So let's sit up tall, roll your shoulders back, and we're going to take a deep breath in. And you might want to cover your ears and close your eyes and you get a stronger sensation. So I'm going to start off like that, and then I'm going to talk you through the 3 bumblebee breaths. Okay, so let's take a practice. So we're going to take a nice deep breath in, and we're going to buzz out and exhale. Good. Okay, so you can carry on with the ears covered and the eyes closed, or you can just relax. So take a deep breath in and buzz out. Breathe in, buzz out. And final deep breath in, and it's buzz out. Good. How did that make you feel? Definitely calmed me down. And this is a really good one that you can do kind of wherever you are. You can do it as quietly or as loudly as you want. I know sometimes if I'm out and it's really busy and I need to calm down, I do it really quietly. And I tell you, nobody's ever noticed either. So I just take a deep breath in and then I slowly buzz out. As if I'm not doing anything. Okay, I hope that helps.